Allergic rhinitis cure possible? Allergic rhinitis, commonly known as hay fever, can be bothersome with symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and itchy eyes. While conventional treatments often involve antihistamines and nasal sprays, many people turn to homeopathy for a more natural approach. Homeopathy offers remedies that aim to treat the root cause of allergic rhinitis rather than just masking the symptoms. Common homeopathic treatments include allium cepa for runny nose and euphrasia for eye irritation. Homeopathy can be a gentle option for managing allergic rhinitis, but always discuss it with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment.